Hi, my name is Rusana. I'm a software engineer and I'm gonna talk about artificial intelligence. So what is AI and what can it do? On an operational level, AI refers to technologies that simulate human intelligence and cognitive functions. It can learn, reason, and solve problems. AI systems learn and improve through exposure to vast amounts of data. It can be categorized into many ways, for example, according to stage of development or actions it can do. I'm going to talk about three main categories according to what can it do. So the first comes narrow AI, which is also called weak AI, though it's anything but weak. Narrow AI is trained and focused to perform specific tasks. All of what we currently call artificial intelligence is considered narrow AI, which means it can only perform narrow tasks according to its programming or training. Next is artificial general intelligence. It is a theoretical form of AI where a machine would have the intelligence of a human. It would be self-aware with consciousness and would have the ability to learn, think, make plans for the future, and would be able to emulate human mind. And finally, superintelligence, which surpasses human intelligence and ability, but it doesn't exist yet. Well, not that we know of. And as I mentioned earlier, all that we currently call AI is considered narrow AI, which means it tries to emulate human abilities. For example, it can see using computer vision. It can do facial recognition. It can detect and recognize objects in images and videos. It can speak using natural language processing. It can understand and generate human language. It can translate between languages. It can determine emotions using sentiment analysis. And also it can speak any known languages. And it can also learn using machine learning, which involves predictive modeling and anomaly detection. It can make decisions based on penalties and rewards. Machine learning process involves algorithms, which are rules and instructions that aid AI's analysis and decision-making. And last but not the least, it can think, sort of, using deep learning. Deep learning utilizes artificial neural networks with multiple layers to process information, which mimics structure and function of a human brain. All of these serve different purposes in creating intelligent systems, such as generative AI tools, like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, personalized advertisement, digital assistants, or autonomous vehicles. And all of these are just small examples of AI in our daily lives.